Student, in this video I will explain you about the voice, how to make a change from active to passive. Basically you will understand all the rules that you need to follow to make a conversion from active to passive. For that you have to understand the definition of active voice. So it's given when the subject of a verb is the doer of an action, the verb is said to be in the active voice. So in any statement, the action is done by the subject. So that subject is the doer of the action. This is what given here. So when the subject of a verb that is the auxiliary verb, main verb, so that has to be done by somebody. So somebody is who? Your subject. Okay. So when the subject of a verb is the doer of an action, the verb is said to be in the active voice. So such statement in which the verb is done by the subject is what called active voice. We have the example, the elephant ate the banana. So here the subject here is the what? Elephant. The elephant is the doer of the action eating. Okay, so that is why it's an active voice. So the elephant ate banana. So elephant is your subject, verb is your ate, and the object is what? Your banana, because the subject is doing something. So I'm doing something and that object is being done. So this is what? Your banana. The second statement you can see, Nina typed the application. So again here the doer of the action is who? Nina. This is the subject and the type is your verb. Again the object is what? The subject is doing something on the object, and that is what? The application. So this is what? Your active voice. Now in the passive voice, how the definition changes. A verb is in the passive voice when it tells us what is done to a person or a thing. So here the doer of the action which we have studied in the active voice is not given the importance. That subject become the receiver of the verb. So the subject is what? The receiver of an action in the passive voice. So you can see a hat was taken by the magician. So this magician was the subject in the active voice, but as soon as it changes into the passive voice, so the object is what? Your hat, and the receiver about this action is who? The magician, and so it is in the passive voice. You can understand more clearly when I would like to explain you from this statement. So here you can see the chimpanzee is eating a banana. So now the doer of this action is who? The chimpanzee, which is the subject. Now is eating is in which form of a tense? It is in the present continuous. And what is the object here? Banana. So now this is what? In the active voice, because the subject is the doer of the action. Now how to make a change in the passive? So what happened here? The banana, which is the object, has come to the first position. Now it is playing the role of a subject here, and the subject, which was the chimpanzee, is the receiver. So this is what? Here object. So a banana is being eaten by the chimpanzee. This is what a big change that you have to understand. Now again one example is here, Raman drew a picture. So the tense has changed here. So drew is your past form, v2 form, v2, this is the draw, drew, drawn. So this is the v2 form, this is the past form of the simple past. So Raman drew a picture. Raman is your subject, drew is the verb, and the object is your picture. Now how it has changed into passive voice? So a picture, which is the object, has come to the first position. So a picture, and since it is in the v2 form, we have used here was, because picture is in a singular form. So a picture was drawn, this is your v3, by Raman. So this is what the change here. Now some rules which is given there, you need to understand when there is a change. So these are the changes which comes, which you will notice. So I will change into me, we will change into us, he will change into him, she into her, they into them, you into you will remain same, it will also remain same, and if it is there who, who will change into whom. So you will notice all this is found in the active, and as soon as you make a change from active to passive, it will change into this format. Okay, for example, he gave away the prizes. So the action is done by the subject, which is what? He, and this is your v2 form, past, simple past form, and prizes is your object. So now what happened, the prizes will come to the first position. The prizes, since it is a prizes, it is a plural form, so was will change here. Sorry, it will be what, where, and gave will change into what, given away by him. So he has changed into him. This is what the change we will notice in the from active to passive. Now one more example, I baked delicious cookies. Again it is a simple past form. So I is your subject, baked is your verb, delicious cookies, cookies is your object. Okay, so together delicious cookies has taken to first position. Delicious cookies, since it is a plural form, we have used what here, where. Delicious cookies were baked, this is your V3, and by me. So I has changed into me, which I have explained here into I into me. Now certain rules that you have to notice here. Simple present, that is in all these verbs will change into is, are, and V3 past participle form, that is your baked. Present continuous, is, are, baking, that is your V plus ing form, will change into is, are, being. Here you need to understand all the continuous form will possess being plus V3, that is your baked. Present perfect, you must have noticed has and have concept. So if it is a has and have, then it is already in the V3. But what we will make a change one more here, we will add here been. Has, have, been, baked. Has and have you will make a change according to the singular plural. If it is singular, then you will use has. If it is a plural, you will use have. But been is been plus V3 will remain common. Now present perfect continuous will have no passive form. Coming to the simple past, so it is this V2 form, baked will change into was, were, V3, that is your baked. Past continuous will change into was, were, baking, will change into what, was, were, being, baked. Now past perfect is your had baked, this is already in the had plus V3, it will change into what, perfect it is there, so we will use BEEN, been, baked. Now again continuous is there will be no passive form. Now simple future, will bake will change into will be baked. So here this is one more new term, that is your BE. Okay, please remember when there was ing form continuous we were using being, and perfect case we were using BEEN, and here if it is a simple future we are using what, BE plus V3, that is your past participle form. Future continuous, again there will be no change. So in all the continuous form, present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, and your future perfect there will be future continuous, there will be no change. Now future perfect, will have baked will change into what, will have. Again here perfect it is there, so we will use what, BEEN, been plus baked. Now I'll explain you with the structure and the statement. So this is what you have to understand with the simple present. So how it is being changed and the structure. So you can see, she decorates the house during festival. She is your subject, decorates is your verb, house is your object. So house will come to the first position. So the house is decorated, since it is in the present form, simple present, so decorates, s is there, so that shows what is your present form. So is decorated, decorated is your V3, by her, so she has changed into her, during festival. So does he wish you on your birthday? So then what happened, it has changed into what, are you wished on your birthday by him? So here again it has certain changes you can understand here. Now who sings devotional songs? So who has changed into whom, by whom are the devotional songs sung, V3 form. Now what is the structure here? In active you can see root form of the verb, sometime s or es, decorates, does or sing, so it becomes what, passive, is, are, am, that depends on the subject what form, plus V3 past participle form. Okay, so now coming to the present continuous, children are reading books in the library. So children is the subject plus V plus ing. So and what is the object here, books. So books are being read, since it is a ing form we are using what, being read, this is your V3, by children in the library. Now why is she plucking flowers? So now that will change into what, why are because what, flowers we are, that is in the plural form. So why are flowers, now plucking is there, so we will use what, being plucked by her, since it is she, so we have used what, her. Now coming to the next, that is your structure you should understand is rm plus v plus ing form of the verb. So that will change into what is rm plus being. This is the continuous, so you have to apply being plus v3. Now coming to the present perfect condition where you have to use has, and if it is a has, we obviously it will be v3. He has written many novels in the past, so he is your subject and novel is your object, so object will come here. So many novels, and has, since it is a novels, so has changed into what, have, not has. Okay, so here since it is he, so we have used here has. As soon as the novel has come to the first position and it is not a novel, it is s here, that means many novels, so we will apply what, have. So have been written by him in the past. So one thing it is to be noted, perfect case we have to use what, been. And who has broken the glass, so who will change into what, your whom. By whom has the glass been broken. So your structure will be has, have plus v3, that is your past participle form of the verb, will change into what, has and have plus been plus past participle form of the verb. Coming to the simple past, the pilot flew the aircraft at a great height. So pilot is your subject, flew is your v2, and the aircraft is the object. So aircraft will come to the first position. The aircraft was flown by the pilot at a great height. The rest is your predicate. So what is changed here? So flew has changed into flown, that is your v3, and was according to the subject. Now again here, did he post the letter? So this is the second form of do. So did and he is what here has changed into him. So was the letter, since the letter is the object, the letter has to come to the here. Was the letter posted by him? Post has changed into v3. So this is the structure, you can understand, was plus was where plus v3 form of the verb. Now coming to the next portion, that is your past continuous. Let us see the example. He was driving the car very fast when it skidded off the road. So the car was being driven, because here drive, drove, driven. So this is what here, the car. Okay, the car is the object, it has come to the first position, and since it is a v plus ing, so we will use here was plus being form of the verb. So was being driven. So this, you can see the structure, was where plus ing form of the verb, we will change into what, was where plus being plus past participle, that is your v3. Coming to the past perfect, my uncle had sold the house last year. Since it is a past perfect had, so it is in the v3 form. So how it will change, the house, since the house is the object, the house had been sold. Perfect case, please remember you have to use been, and for the continuous you have to use being. So since it is a perfect, we will use here been plus v3. So then your structure will become had plus v3, had been plus v3. This is what your past. Then now coming to your future, simple future, I shall make sandwiches in the evening. So sandwiches shall be made by me in the evening. So shall be, we have seen the table earlier also, we have to apply shall plus be plus v3. Okay, when will they construct the bridge? The bridge is your object, so here when will the bridge be constructed by them? So they has changed into what, them. The structure is what, shall be plus will be plus v3. Now coming to your future continuous, there is no change now. Future perfect tense, now where there is a use of a have, he will have consulted a doctor before 8 p.m. So a doctor will have been, since it's a perfect, we will use what, been. Consulted is your v3 by him before 8 p.m. So these are certain rules that you need to follow, and some more statement I would like to read for you so that you can understand the concept very clearly. For example, in the simple present form, I is your subject, do is your verb, my homework is your object. So it has to come to the first position now. So my homework, since homework is in a singular form, it will use what, is, and do will change into v3, that is your done, because there are three forms. First is your do, second form is your did, and third form is your done. So now this is what the structure. Now present continuous, I am doing my homework. I is your subject, am plus v ing, doing is your do plus ing, my homework is your object. So my homework will come to the first position. My homework is, since it is a continuous, I have been repeating saying in the continuous form you have to apply what? Being, B-E-I-N-G. So my homework is being done. Done is your V3 form. Now past, that is your simple past. I did my homework. This is already in a V2 form. So my homework was done, V3. Now past continuous, I was doing my homework. My homework was being done. Present perfect, how you have to do? I have done my homework. I is your subject, have is your perfect case, done is your V3. Since it is a perfect, so obviously V3. So how it will change? My homework has been done. You can apply here by me. Now past perfect, I had done my homework. It is a perfect case, that is also in the past form. So my homework had been done. So this is what? Been here. Had plus been plus V3. Future simple, that is your simple future. What you have to do? I will do my homework. So my homework will be done. So will plus be plus V3. Models, how you have to use? I must do my homework. So it can be changed into what? My homework must be done. So this is what some of the statement which I read for you. You go through all the example, all the structure, and you will be able to solve all the exercises. Thank you, and please solve all the exercises in your book. Thank you.